Right folks, today I'm going to show you how to flush your 20 horsepower Tohatsu outboard motor.
Tohatsu have made this process very simple and very easy. They have supplied us with a connector which fits directly inside the lower unit. First of all, you want to remove this cap, and once removed, put this cap somewhere safe, like inside your pocket, until the process is complete. Now, simply screw in the valve, get that nice and tight, in preparation for attaching your garden hose. This is my current setup, but the connector supplied can be simply added to the end of your hose. All that is left to do now is turn on the pressure. Now we have the motor flushing. Very simple, very easy. At this point, I like to start my motor for around 30 to 60 seconds. I like to do this to ensure that the water pump is being flushed, and it helps the water circulate up through the main engine block with a little bit more pressure. It is recommended in the owner's manual that the motor is not started outside a bucket of water. The reason being is because there is an exposed prop. However, there's nobody around and it is very safe at this stage. I like to remove the fuel line before turning the motor off, just to kill off any dead fuel before the motor goes back into storage. Now, I disconnect the hose, give the motor a good clean, remove any salt, and once that is finished, I like to tilt the motor and give it a good dry with a cloth. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thank you.